Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video we'll be looking at how to trade boom and crash on 5 minutes time frame. Okay, we'll be looking at how to trade boom and crash on 5 minute time frame. So many people has been asking me question how they can scalp trade, or how they can trade successfully without any issue, and how they can trade for a few minutes and make some money for themselves and gradually grow their confidence. Okay, so I've made up my mind to show you how to do this. Okay, and for those of you that have been following up with my $500 per day trading tips, I know you should have been able to do this, because in most cases I make use of 5 minute time frame to do my analysis live and direct. And if you have been joining all this while and you have been trying out what I've been doing, then definitely you should be able to do this. Okay, I purposely use 5 minute time frame during the period in order for you guys to be able to catch up very fast. Okay, but if you have not, then don't worry, I will be doing that today. Okay, and you can also join us on it later on in the day. But before we go fully into today's video, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online. Okay, all you need to do is just to take your time to browse through the channel, watch some of my video clips. They are all training videos that can get you started immediately, and I've got lots of videos right here, so you can just take your time to watch them to see, to learn how to trade successfully. And of course, you must practice and perfect your skills. Whatever strategy you are learning here, make sure you practice and perfect it on your demo account first before trying them out on your real account. This is very, very vital and important. And of course, if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you have any question at all about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And of course, if you are yet to be a subscriber, then you are missing a lot, because you won't be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, so all you just need to do to be a subscriber is to check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also turn on the notification bell to all notification. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have for today. Okay, we'll be going straight to the charts. We'll be doing every explanation on the chart. Okay, the first thing I want you to do is to make sure that you have your setup in on 5 minute time frame. Okay, make sure you take up your charts to 5 minute time frame. And it is always important that you know how to identify your support and your resistance level. And the best way to do that is for you to know your trend. When you know your trend, then you will be able to identify your support and resistance level. Then that way you will be able to know your entry point and your exit point. But in case you don't know how to do your technical analysis, then your custom made indicators can also help you to achieve this easily. The one I'm using on my system is called the QDC Scraper Trading Indicator. It helps me to know the trend and also the support and resistance level. Then definitely the entry point and exit point. Okay, so this is 500, and this is 5 minute time frame, just the way you guys have seen it. And right here is the trend trading indicator that is telling us the trend right from the beginning, of the trend. Okay, just like I'm going to cite a few examples just for you to know. Okay, just like right here, the trend is moving from uptrend. When it was on uptrend, the market was going up here. Okay, so it's now moving from uptrend to downtrend, and right here, it was moving to downtrend on this resistance region. Okay, and check it out, it started going down till it got to this level. Okay, so right here on this support zone, it's a very fast support zone, so it's unable to break it. And there we have our trend moving from downtrend to uptrend, and you can see that it is going up okay, it has been going up since then, and definitely the trend is on uptrend. Okay, of course, in between the trend, okay, there will always be pullback. You can see that there was a pullback here, and there is, after getting to this resistance level, there is another pullback here. So it will start going up again. Once we get our buy arrow here, it will start going up again. Once it's going up, this time around, it will make an attempt on this resistance zone again. If it's able to break it, then we are likely to see it around there before we will be having a major reversal in price action. That might not happen immediately. It can take some time, but that is how it will work. Okay, so it is always better you come in whenever the trend is in the direction of the signal, okay, or whenever the signal is in the direction of the trend, more especially when the trend is just starting. Okay, right here the trend is just starting. Okay, if you miss the starting point, you can always come in at any point where you have a signal that supports the trend. Okay, it is always better that way, because you will be able to milk the market within that period. Okay, so let's check out other assets to see, just to buttress what we have explained so far. Okay, so as we can see, this is crash 500, also on 5-minute time frame, just the way we have seen it right from this support zone. You can see, despite the fact that it was finding difficult to break out from this resistance zone, keeps on pulling it backward to the it was finding difficult to break out from this resistance zone, pulling it backward to the support zone, and eventually it broke out from it totally, and it went up to this level, which ended the uptrend. Okay, it brought the trend to an end right here. Okay, and from there it started a downtrend. The downtrend started from here to this support zone, went back up again, then came down again, and right now it is at this region. Okay, so it is on downtrend at this region. So once you follow the trend, then you will always be able to milk the market successfully. Okay, as you can see, crash 500 at the moment is also on downtrend. Once it breaks out from here, then we should be looking at this support zone. Okay, so that is also very important. Let's check out other assets, guys. Okay, this is crash 1000. For crash 1000, you can see this long uptrend. It started from here, from this support zone, and it went up to this level to end the trend. Okay, to end the trend. Right now it is on downtrend, and it has been crashing since then. It is on downtrend. It is about breaking out from this support zone. Once broken out successfully, then we should be looking at around this region for it. Okay, so that is how to trade it. Once you are able to identify the trend, then you are good to go. Once you come in when the trend is changing, then probably follow the signals that support the trend, and you will be able to milk the market successfully. Let's check out the last asset, which is boom 1000. Okay, you can see boom 1000. You can see the uptrend that went from here to this level. You can see that, but when it got to this level, there was a resistance level here, so it pulled down a bit. You can see that it pulled back a bit, and due to this resistance level, okay, that is why I said there will always be a pullback in between. Okay, but the only thing that will keep you on is the trend. If the trend is still in support of this, then definitely you should know that it will go back up. You can see that it went back up to end the trend. It will always go back up to end the trend, so it ended the trend right here. Okay, right here, and it has started a downtrend, but find difficult to break out from this support zone. So how do you trade with this 5-minute time frame? Okay, the best way to go about it is to come in. Number one, you can come in when the trend is just starting, or you can come in whenever you get the signal that is supporting the trend. Okay, but each time you are approaching a support or resistance zone, then you, depending on the assets you are trading, then you should know that you should exit the market at that point and wait for the reaction of the market, except if you have enough trading capital and you want to stay from the beginning of the trend till the very end of the trend. That is when you can leave it open and trade for long, because it will definitely put you in profit at the end of the day. When you are patient enough, okay, you will make some profit for yourself. In short, lots and lots of profit, but it is only when you are in a haste to make profit that is when you lose money in most cases. Okay, so that is it. So if you take your time to study the market very well, then you will know when it is the right right time for you to jump into the trade. Okay, just wait for the right signal. It might not be immediately. Right now, let's say I want to sell. Okay, all I just need to using this chart, let's say I want to sell boom 1000. All I just need to do is to wait for the signal that supports the trend. So at the moment I'm having the signal that is against the trend. Okay, if I should force myself into the system and sell, what if it now spikes? Then I will say that the trading tools I'm using is not working, or the strategy I'm using is no longer working. No, I refuse to follow the instruction. Look at it, it is already at the support zone, and of course I'm not getting a signal that supports the trend. The trend is red and I'm getting a blue signal. Okay, which means that the signal I'm getting is for uptrend and the trend that I'm getting is for downtrend. So this will not work together. Okay, not that it cannot work, of course it can work, but in rare cases, okay, if you are not very smart with it, definitely you won't be able to achieve that. So all I just need to do is just to wait for a few minutes or probably hours, just for me to get my own trend, I mean my own signal that will support the trend. Then I will come in and trade. Okay, you don't force a signal, or you don't force yourself to trade, because you are not the only one in the market. Okay, you don't force a signal out of the market. You allow the signal to show so that you can go into the market and trade successfully. So that is very, very important. So guys, I will be stopping right here. I believe you've learned a lot. You have learned a lot from today's video. All you need to do is just to go back, watch this video, understand everything that I have explained in this video. Then after that, you can have this setup on your chart. Make sure you have it on your chart. Do your personal I mean do try and practice with it. Practice till you are able to perfect it. Once you are able to perfect it, then you can now go back to your real account and start trading with it. This is very, very important, guys. This is, I want you to take it very important. It is very, very important. Okay, it is very, very important. So of course, if you need more training videos, okay, you can come back to the channel to watch them so that you will understand how to go about it. And of course, if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to be a subscriber, that kindly do so, and do not forget to join me later on in the day for the $500 trading tips for boom and crash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.